Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to renew Norton 360 with a product key in Android. Norton 360 is an all-in-one device protection and internet security software from Norton LifeLock. You can check the link in the description section to get it. So open the Norton Security app on your Android phone and then tap on the Hamburger icon in the top left corner. And in this left side panel, tap on the Renew button. You'll see the screen. Tap on Redeem a Subscription. And on this screen, choose Enter a Product Key. Then enter a product key into this box and tap on Verify. And that's pretty much it. Now if I go back to my account section, you can see that my subscription is now active. With the Norton 360 Deluxe version, you can install it on up to 5 devices. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.